Back in 2008, when the recession hit, I went to the union and I said, look, let me do what I have to do, because if you don't, somebody else will do it for us. And I want to keep these jobs in-house because these are terrific people, they're local people, and through the use of the robotics, we're able to make these reductions and save in positions. And again, we add an additional 111,000 square feet to our district this year, but I'm still 2 FTEs, which is 2 full-time equivalents below my 2006 employee staffing levels. We were able to save $504,000 annually, and 25% of that savings is contributed directly to the TASKI Intellibots. To this point, we have saved approximately $4.1 million overall, and a big part of that, again, is the TASKI Intellibots. The process of starting the equipment is very, very easy. You bring the equipment to the designated location, basically hit start, and it's on its way. The service and support with TASKI Intellibot is fantastic. It helps us actually capitalize on our workloading. These are high-tech pieces of equipment, so you have to have that support behind it with the mapping and the engineering behind it with the TASKI folks, and it all works together to create one successful program. The acceptance of the TASKI Intellibot robots at Upper Merion Area School District has been unbelievable. They've been terrific. They've embraced the technology. My employees love it. It's to the point now where it's actually part of the staff. And I think that if we didn't have the robots, they'd be very disappointed. They work together. It's the human element and the robotic element working together. And we've had tremendous success with it. And it saves us money on a daily basis, even in terms of environmental savings. With less water usage, it saves us money. As far as manpower, it obviously saves us time. We have the consistency in cleaning. It's been working out great for us. Today, younger people are creatures of technology, and this is expected to have this in the work environment. So it's just a real great situation. It's a win-win. It's really needed at this point, and I think there's a lot of opportunity with TASKI Intellibot and the new technologies on the market.